end of this. I just want to go back to the initiative that the guys behind me, that's Ghania Men, Powerlight is doing. Basically, it's an activity of theirs where they are electrifying villages across the country using solar power. And you guys have contributed as well. A lot of tweets, a lot of updates on Facebook have come in. Thank you guys for that. Each of those are going towards a village. So keep it coming thick and fast. It's free. It's if you guys don't have a Twitter account, open one and tweet out with the hashtag. So while we end this, I just want to ask everybody on this, at this table, what do you think of this initiative, especially Sunrisers Hyderabad? Like you stole that question which I had. If the sun is coming up, you stole that from my.
Unfortunately, I'm too intelligent to do that.
Absolutely.
I'm sorry.
That's okay. On Twitter we call this the knowledgeable Chennai crowd. So
yeah, generally all three South Indians are here. So generally, no, he's also South of India.
South of India.
So, generally, you get the feeling that South Indians are more intelligent, brainy, and you have a lawyer, you have an engineer, you have an extraordinary cricketer, a superb speaker. Then you have Lakshman, a perfect gentleman, a superb everything, and Lakshman is a superb person. What I like, actually, one important thing I'd like to share with everybody is, I mean, I never wanted to be a chairman, but when I became chairman, I think two of the closest guys whom I used to work with the Indian team are these two guys here, Mr. Lakshman and Mr. Virendra. Three guys, in fact. Virendra Sehwag was always my hero. Lakshman, Dravid, and Sehwag, three of us. I used to spend a lot of time with these three guys breaking their brains, what to do, what not to do. And that was one of the reasons why India did very well consistently. I should say, it's lovely to be with legends like Rahul Dravid and Lakshman and Sangakkara here. And you know how Sangakkara speaks and Rahul speaks. So anything South Indian, South of India, always great.
And this includes
Sunrisers Hyderabad, but because your whole team is about lighting everybody. Solar energy. What is solar energy? Sunrisers Hyderabad is solar energy for IPL now.
I was actually going for Mysore Dosha, but sure, Sunrisers Hyderabad also.
Mysore Dosha is actually Rahul Dravid.
So guys, just to ask you, this initiative is a fantastic initiative. I just wanted to ask you guys.
More so for me because I color my hair every alternate day. Don't worry. Color my beard especially.
No, I think this is the second year Ghania has been involved with Rajasthan Royals, so we actually know them now for the second year, and I think they've been really important sponsors for us. And it's really been good for us to come on board this initiative because we did an event earlier as well in a mall, and I think this concept of power lighting a village, and just so many parts of India that struggle to get electricity and things that we take for granted actually in day-to-day lives. I think people struggle with. And I think it's great to see that, while obviously they've come on board as a sponsor, it's just nice to see that they've got a CSR angle to this. And, personally, I think Rajasthan Royals and I'm sure the Sunrisers Hyderabad as well, they're really happy to support this and hope it's a great success. And it's really up to the people, I think, who make it a great success.
Fantastic. Kumar?
Yeah, I think it's great, especially impacts the children of India very much so, impacts the youth very positively. And all the users, hopefully the